Hi, I'm Courtney, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Attach tool in Design Space. On my canvas, I already have a project set up. I have a multi-layered card as well as some text. So if I go ahead and press Make It to take us to our mat preview, we'll see here that we have three different mats. We have the mat with one layer of the card. We have a second mat that has the outside part of the card, and then we have our text. Well, on our canvas, they were together, but they didn't happen to stay together when we sent them to our mat preview. So what did we do wrong? Let's go back to our canvas. What we need to do is to use the Attach tool. The Attach tool is much like a paperclip. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to ungroup the card. So we're going to go ahead and click on the card and go to Ungroup in the Layers panel. That's going to separate our different layers. From here, I'm going to select our text in the Layers panel and bring it forward, as when we ungrouped, it actually rearranged the layers. So now I can see everything. I have the letters selected, and I'm also going to press Shift and select my card. So now I have the two things selected that I need to attach. I'm going to go down to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Attach tool. So now my phrase is attached or paperclipped to the exact place where I'd like it on the card. So let's go ahead and click Make It and see what happens. Ta-da! Now you can see that it is in the perfect place, exactly where we wanted it, because we used Attach. And that's how you use Attach with the writing function in Design Space. In the next video, we'll be talking a little bit about how to keep Design Space from rearranging your letters on your map preview by, again, using the Attach tool.